Welcome back, guys. Major news came out about EHang, so stay tuned to follow what happened. It's a major change which I really believe is gonna shape the future for this company. So EHang basically, which has a ticker symbol of EH, currently priced at $21.20 today, which I think is at a discount and a good price, with a market cap approximately of $1.2 billion, which is still quite small market cap for my opinion, which I think this company will have a market cap of about, at least for the next 2-3 years to come, from a 5 to 10 billion market cap. So if any of you guys don't know what EHang is and it's first time, you could check out my other video about it, but I'll give you a brief recap about it. So EHang is the world's leading autonomous aerial vehicle technical platform. Their mission is basically to make safe, autonomous and economically air mobility accessible to everyone. So basically what they do is like they work with air taxis, which means like flying cars or helicopters, or in shortcut EVTOL, which means electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. And they're planning to jump in like the transportation of passengers or person, to logistics, to many other areas of media and a lot of different aspects in the business. If you want to find out more about the numbers and everything, check out my other video. I'm really currently focused on this flying industry, which is, as you see, EHang is basically like a helicopter but autonomously, and a smaller sized helicopter, and it's electrically based. Major news today is that EHang and Spanish National Police collaborate to explore AAV uses in emergency and security missions. As of today, of the 6th of October of 2021, EHang Holding Limited, the world's leading autonomously vehicle technology platform company, announced that its collaboration with the Spanish National Police to explore potential use cases of AAVs in the emergency and security missions. So EHang and the National Police plan to work closely to use the AAVs in emergency situations such as rescue, surveillance and other missions that are critical for improving the quality of life and safety of the citizenships. As a result of this collaboration, National Spanish Police and EHang, together with the Polytech University of Valencia (UPV), will demonstrate how the best utilization evolution of AAV technology through trial flights and use case analysis, though exploring safer and more efficient solutions for saving more lives. The Chief Commissioner of the Air Vehicles Unit of Spanish National Police affirmed that the collaboration with EHang and the UPV represents progress in determining the best uses of AAV for policing. AAV technology holds the promising of significant improvement of our capacity in emergency and security missions, such as firefighting, assessing contaminated areas with nuclear, radiation, bacteria, or chemical risks, landing in the confident areas, transporting material or police service such as may require eligible mobility. The application of AAV technology makes the Spanish police among the first in the country to adapt in Europe to adapt to this technology and use it. Victoria Ching, the CEO of EHang, the Spanish and the ALTAM, emphasized that collaborating with the Spanish National Police is very important for EHang. The application of EEVs in the emergency national security matters and the fight against the pandemic is crucial and advantageous for the public sector. Autonomously, sustainably, and efficient mobility enables the authority to execute the task in an environmentally free manner. EHang and the Spanish police will work jointly to leverage in this cutting-edge technology to benefit the citizens and the society and governmental sections and many more. So the former consultor in China, Emilio Pedro Andres, sorry for the spelling, and the next time the Chief Commissioner of the Air Unit Vehicles of Spain National Police, and the next time the head of drones and tactical systems sections of the Spanish National Police, and on the right side the CEO and the sales director of the EHang and AAVs. TAM. Standing on the left, the Deputy Director General of Logistics and Innovation of Spanish National Police, Jose, standing on the left, and in the middle, the Director General of Spanish Police, Francisco, standing in the middle. Next to it, standing the CEO of EHang and the Spanish and LATAM, Victoria. They already tested the firefightings in China and many other things like such as ambulances. So basically, to conclude this stock, we have to look at the potential market cap in the future, what we could expect from them, and how much would they be able to capture from that market to put a current price tag or current market cap on this company to see what kind of potential return we could have for the next 5 years to come. Attractive growth opportunities in the UAV market. The growth of the UAV market in North America and many other places is significantly high. All the values are based in US dollars, so currently the current sector is at 27.4 billion. And in the next 5 years, in 2026, they expect that market to reach to 58.4 billion by 2026, which is about a 110% increase in the next 5 years. So per yearly, annually, it's about a 20% return averagely. So let's think about like this. The market cap is about, let's say, 60 billion. And there's about now 10 companies dominating this market. So if we divide the 60 billion market cap on the 10 companies currently, we'll have each of them about from 5.8 billion to 6.6 billion. Each company would have a market cap in this range. So let's say with the current outstanding shares of EHang, which is 54.81 million shares, would have a market cap of 5 billion. That would make a price tag of almost $90 in the next 5 years, which I believe they're definitely going to have a higher market cap than 6 billion. They're definitely going to have a market cap between, like I said, 5 to 10 billion, which if they go to 10 billion market cap, the price tag would be about $180 per share. So if we currently divide if it goes to 5 billion, the market price is going to be at $90 per share. Compared to the current value at $21, that's almost more than 4x returns in the next 5 years. And if we're being optimistic and it goes to a 10 billion market cap, which has a $180 market price tag, compared to the current price tag, would be almost 850% return. So guys, basically, I don't have to say no more. If you learned something or you really enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the alarm bell for any new upcoming videos. Let me know what you think as well in the comments, and if there's any stocks I should check out for you guys.